So, hello and welcome to a new tutorial. So, let's just try with 3D animation. So, in our previous video, this is a previous video live streaming, and if you don't know how to create this background, you can see my previous video which I already uploaded on my channel. So, let's see with this one and just move upward. So this is the basic idea to how to okay how to improve this one. Now to make this one just easy way, just a little bit more and just rotate for a reference image. So this is just a reference image. So this is a reference image. First one, yes. And if wanna try to this one, yes, this is it. Now we're gonna show you how to move this one. So look, luckily I don't know why this is happening to my PC whenever you need to, if you import, just and add some image and add a reference. So let's start with this one. This is basically a 2D animation like this one, and this is a 2D. This is just a 2D animation. We want to convert it to 3D. Okay, we just convert it 3D. So before we going moving forward, first of all, let's hide it and the cursor and orthography. Let's go to orthography mode, and now we need to add a object. So before add the object, I'm gonna with the plane. Now I'm going to plane, moving the side, expand some size, and scale up little bit more. Okay, now we need to moving upward, just a little bit more, and here it is. So that's the just a plane and just a little bit more. Okay, now we need to edit tab, go to plane, and extrude some little bit more. I just extrude just a little bit more. So now go to normal mode and here something like this is a grass shape. So let's add some grass. Let's some sort of okay surface a curve meshes. So mesh of a good idea, but uh, let's make add another object and object like this one. Go to forward and scale down. Okay, Now scroll down, look at one. So why this is why I'm going to the this type of so that was the reason why I choose this one. Just here. Okay. Now we need to expand some more and scale up some little bit more of it. Okay. Now moving to some yes one and a mesh a plane on the cube and the cube just a little bit more one and just a little bit more. Okay. Now okay. Just hold it. Yes. Now moving to forward. Okay. So just a basic assign word. Just a basic assign word. Okay. Just a basic assign word. Now choose a right one. This is it. Moving to down. Just yeah. So that's it. And now we need to add some tree. Let's make some a low poly tree because a low poly tree is just a best example of best of right. Okay. Now moving to upward just a little bit here. Scale down and okay. Now go to here and where it is. What first first for let's edit this one. Moving to surface. Scale up. Okay. Just a little more. Yes. Now go to normal mode. Drop down and that's it. And add a more mesh. Uh, less ecosphere. Yes. And scale up, shiftlessly, shiftlessly, and shiftlessly, and shift, and join together. Now shiftlessly heritage. Just shade smooth, and you may also shade smooth. That's it. And yeah, that's okay. So now that is the main difference between 2D and 3D. So moving forward, let's add some another type of element. So what is another type of this one? So the most of the problem is a blender is to pair a set type where you own a set like this a round shape, torus, torus node, diamond, gem, monkey, grid, torus, uh, sphere, and icosphere. Okay, now scale up. Okay, now add some grass, but first of all, let's make this one. No, that's not a good idea. We think we need to this one and this one too, and this one, and this one too. Yes, and that is too much. Yes, that Click OK. Tab drop down. Tab one. Mhm. Yes. Duplicate. Let's join. Let's join. Now join this one and material which use to green. Go to this one, set it, and material also we need to choose this one. And the material we choose to this one is here, and the material we choose to this one is here, and I wanna say this one is here. Okay. This one. Okay. Shift the now that is the whole concept, and we will continue this project for futures video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So that's for today's video, and if you wanna try to this type of project, and if you want to this file, you can feel free to comment for the comment section, and I will definitely provide you somehow. So that's for today's. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.